Hi everyone, this is Joyce Lee, Sales Director and also the Sales Marketing Leader of Medical and Healthcare of Avalue. It's my pleasure to meet all of you here virtually. Since the release of the first volume in 2020, the COVID-19 pandemic has continued to spread around the world and still stamp and change our lives. Never thought the threat would be so close to us. Mask wearing and keeping a physical distance to protect yourself and others became mandatory. Even though a lot of countries have unveiled plans to ease coronavirus restriction, being impacted by being lockdowns, quarantine, and unknowns of the economy, many people still found themselves struggling with mental health. Since 2008, long before smartphone was invented, Avalue has been dedicated to providing a solution in the medical and healthcare, especially focusing on bedside terminal applications. The target is not only to let patients can keep in real-time connection with their families, but the medical staff can also assist patients with medication and communicate with patients about their condition more accurately, which benefits both health and convenience. The Patient Communication Board that we have been working with our partner E-Ink constantly in these years can connect it to a hospital or facilities EHR, EMR system, so update can be pushed in real time. And the patient's info could be recorded more efficient by adopting the e-paper solution. Furthermore, our UW real-time location system improves the accuracy of patient position and brings a better experience in scheduling in each station of the physical examination center. That enables the medical center to have a more efficient allocation of healthcare resources and patient experience. The adoption and integration of advanced technology are one of our strategies in order to provide the most suitable solution and best service for our customers. Next, I would like to invite our team to share with you what the newest technology Avalue has adopted and the update of related products in medical healthcare applications.